everyone, here's Mayuri back with the new tutorial on the typecasting in Java. What exactly is the typecasting? And also we are going to have a practical session. So my dear friends, let's begin it. So my dear friends, we often encounter situations where there is a need to store a value of one type into a variable of another type. In such situations, we must cast a value to be stored by preceding it with the type name in the parenthesis, and that is the typecasting. Now, what exactly the syntax is? Now, here the type is nothing but a data type and variable one. As suppose here is a type and the variable one is equal to, in the parenthesis, here is a type and the variable 2. That means if suppose I have a variable 1 that is n and its type is integer, and here it's a variable 2 which is suppose it is the long and I want it into int, then in the parenthesis I will use is int. That means my variable 2 get converted from long to int, and this is what the typecasting is. That means the process of converting one data type to another is called as casting. So my dear friends, here are the casts that result in no loss of information. That means from and to here are given where you will found no loss of information. That means we can convert byte to short, char, int, long, float with no loss of information. In the same way, short can be converted into int, long, float, double, while char into int, long, float, double. In a similar way, long and float we have taken here, which are converted into float, double. That means from this two we don't lose any kind of information. So my dear friends, we can have an automatic conversion, for sometimes it is possible to assign a value of one type to a variable of different type without a cast. Java does the conversion of assigned value automatically, and this is also known as the automatic type conversion, where we don't use the cast. But when it is possible if the destination type has enough precision to store the source value. For example, my dear friends, if int is large enough to hold a byte value, that means suppose I have a byte and a variable is equal to 75, then int a is equal to b. That means this is a valid statement. It is only possible when the destination type has enough precision. My dear friend, this is what exactly a typecasting. Now let's have a practical session. So let's have a watch on it.